Hey guys, today's video is another Dollar Tree DIY video, and it's a Valentine's theme Dollar Tree DIY video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I took some of the different wooden hearts that they have right now at Dollar Tree and decorated them to go with my style and my decor in my home. So if you would like to see how I made them over, then stay tuned to this video. Dollar Tree right now has these wooden hearts that are like tabletop decor, and they lean to one side depending on which one you get. So I have the red one. I was only able to find the red ones in my store, and I got 4 of them, but they also have a white one, and that one leans more to the left and the red ones lean more to the right. But I wanted to make 2 of the 4 that I had lean to the right and the other 2 lean to the left. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be painting the hearts on different sides. So this first part, what I did was I peeled off the design, which is just actually paper. You don't have to sand down anything like the glitter off. It's just a piece of paper that you can rip off. So you can rip off the actual design that it came with and paint on that side. And then on the other side, it comes with the little like the little scanning sticker, and that peels off easy as well. So you can just peel out the pieces and then paint either side so that you can have your hearts leaning one to the right and then one to the left. So I like the fact that I was able to paint both sides, because sometimes with these decor pieces they have things that prevent you from painting both sides, but this one was easy to rip off the paper and the sticker on the back. So the 2 colors that I'm using are this light pink and this dark pink that you guys see me use in my last Valentine's DIY video. If you guys have not seen that video, I will put the link down below. You guys loved it so much, and it was that I showed you how to make fake Valentine's treats for your coffee bar or for the kitchen, and they look so real, and I was so super excited with that one, and you guys loved it. So I'll leave it down below if you haven't seen it. But I'm using the same colors in this DIY and these DIYs that I used for the last DIY. It's going to be that dark pink and that light pink. I wanted these hearts to look like the conversational candy hearts, so I'm going in with some white letter stickers because I don't write anything on my own because my handwriting is super horrible. So I just went in with some white letter stickers that I had on hand, and I wrote XOXO on one and love on the other, and I just think they came out super cute, and I can't wait to share with you guys how I use these in my home. All the DIYs I'm sharing with you guys in my upcoming videos, I'm going to do decorate with me, so you guys will see how I take all these DIYs and decorate my home with them. So stay tuned. There is more DIYs coming up after this video and a decorate with me. Dollar Tree also has these wooden hearts this year, which I love because they're so thick, and I've never seen them before, and for $1 it's a great price. So I painted them the exact same way I did the other ones, but this time I kind of did a variety of different designs on this one. For this first one, I used white stickers and I put XOXO, which of course I think the white and the light pink go great together. I also think that gold goes great with light pink, so I did some gold stickers on this one and also put XOXO on this one. But then when it came to like the hot pink, I thought I was going to try something different and add some black lettering instead of like the white lettering like I did with the big ones. So Dollar Tree has these rub-on transfer, like they have the letters, but they also have these different words, which you guys have seen me do it and use these on my nautical themes. So I took the one that said friends and I put it on one of the hearts, and then I took the other one that said family and put it on the other heart as well. And I just love the way that these came out, and these you can decorate with them on your tier trays or on your shelves, but these can also make great coasters if you seal them with some Mod Podge or some clear protectant spray. This will make great coasters. I've seen a bunch of different people try to use them as coasters, and I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to seal them first and use them as coasters, and then use some to decorate like my tier trays with. But you can do a variety of things with these wooden hearts. That's why I love them so much, and that's why I think they're a great price for $1. So this little hanging heart decor that they have at Dollar Tree, you can also use it to decorate different hearts that have like that wood look effect, even though it's basically cardboard. And you can use the back side of this and it will make it have that look of wood. So I took a couple of them, colored them the same colors I did the other ones. I did one with the white stickers that said be mine, and then for the hot pink I went in with the rub-on transfer letters, and I did one that said XOXO and the other one that said love. And for these, if you want them to stand, one little hack that you could do is you could take these little wooden like tumbling tower blocks, like the little Dollar Tree's version of Jenga pieces that people use all the time to make DIYs. You can take one of the little pieces and take some hot glue and glue it to the back of these hearts, and that way you're making them like a little stand for them, so that they'll kind of stand like the other ones that I showed you at the beginning of this video, and make like a own little stand for them. And it's just really simple, really easy. You can have it and have it stand up any way you like. Dollar Tree now has these laser cut words in the Crafter Square section, and I found one that said "Be Mine," so I thought it would be perfect for the Valentine's Day decor DIYs. And so I painted them white, and then I added them to two of the hearts that I painted, one, you know, that dark pink and one that light pink, and I just added them with my hot glue gun. And I will say that these little laser cut words were hard to paint, guys. I mean, I tried to paint them just with the paintbrush, and it was so hard to get in between them. So then I tried to spray paint it to see if that would make it easier, but still the paint was not getting in between those letters. So it was really hard to paint these. So I just wanted to forewarn you, if you get any of these laser cut words, they are kind of hard to paint, but they do come out cute in the end whenever you use them in any of your decor DIYs. For this wooden heart, I decided that I wanted to take it apart before I painted it. You really don't have to, but for me, I just felt like it was easier to paint if I took it apart, painted it, and then put it back together again. So the color that I'm using, well, one of the colors that I'm using for it is that light pink, and I'm going to do it for two of the pieces of this wooden heart. For the next color, I just wanted to make it a lighter shade of the original pink that I used. So I'm going to mix it with some white paint, and then just keep mixing it until I get the light, you know, the light pink shade that I want. But I did want to share with you guys how it looks just with the raw wood and the pink itself. I actually think this looks cute as is, so you can actually put it back together and hang it like this. If you guys like that natural wood look, this pink with the natural wood actually looks really cute together. But I already had the idea in mind that I was going to do the light pink with the little lighter pink, so I just decided to keep going with, you know, my idea. But like I said, this natural wood with the pink looks cute together as well. I also took a wooden heart decor piece that I actually DIY'd last year and made it over to kind of look like the heart that I just showed you. So I've already painted the, you know, the pink part of it. So now I'm going to go in with the same pink that's kind of like tinted with a little bit of white. I actually thought I was recording this part, but I guess my camera wasn't on, so that's why you didn't see that part. So like I said, I'm going in with the lighter pink with the mixing of the white, and then I was actually thinking about keeping that little ribbon part beige, kind of like that khaki color, but the more and more I looked at it, I thought about keeping it white. But I just did want to, before I painted it white, I wanted to show you guys how it looked like with the little khaki and beige color, just in case you guys can see how the colors look together if you want to do it this way. Then I took one of those galvanized words that come 3-2 pack every holiday, and I took the one that said Valentine and I painted it the same color pink and added it to the ribbon, and that was it for this DIY. I basically took a piece I already had from last year and remade it to the color scheme that I'm going with this year. This heart sign at Dollar Tree is cute as is, and normally I wouldn't make it over, but I'm not into decorating for red for Valentine's Day, as I told you guys before. So if they had this in like in a pink version, I probably would have kept it the same way that it was, but they didn't. So I'm gonna make it over. And so the first thing that I did was I took this little like scraper. It's kind of like they use this to do the spackle on your walls, and they have them at Dollar Tree for $1. This is where I got this one, and I just used it to pop off that, you know, galvanized love part of it. And then I flipped it over and I started painting the back side, because the front side where I took the words off, it was kind of bumpy. So, and even when I sand it down, it was still kind of bumpy. So I decided to just do this on the back side, and I decided just to go with just one plain color with no designs, just one solid color of that light pink. For the galvanized word, I decided to paint it white. Now you can leave it like galvanized if you want to, but I just like the way that the white and this light pink go together. And if you notice that most of my decor pieces and DIYs I'm gonna be sharing with you has a lot to do with whites and this light pink. I just love these two colors together. You will see the other pink in some of my DIYs, but mainly I love this light pink and white. So I decided to add this word down with just my hot glue gun, but I wanted to let you guys know that whenever you're adding galvanized words to projects with a hot glue gun, make sure you only add a little bit of glue, because once you push it down, if you add a lot, it will ooze out on the sides and look horrible. So just make sure you put just enough to get the words down. And this is how it came out. I love it. It's so simple but yet very beautiful, and I think it looks better than what it was before. But like I said, if they would have had a pink version, I would have kept it exactly how it was. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIYs that I shared with you today. I hope that you guys got some ideas on how you can take these wood hearts from Dollar Tree and remake them and revamp them into something different and beautiful for your home. I have seen a lot of these exact DIYs I'm sharing with you guys today. I have seen a lot of this stuff in the stores right now that go way for more than $1, like I always tell you guys, and more than $10. And I made this with just dollar products. So definitely go into Dollar Tree. You can always remake things that you see at these high-end stores for just $1. Stay tuned. I have more Valentine's DIYs coming your way. I just have to edit the videos, and I also have a decorate with me. So just stay tuned and put those notifications on, because there is a lot of videos coming y'all's way this week. So yeah, stay tuned, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.